Greetings to everyone. Today we will discuss about the subatomic particles. Subatomic means the particles which are present inside an atom. As we know that after the failure of the Dalton atomic theory, atom can be divided into smaller parts. These smaller parts are known as the subatomic particles. These particles are electrons, protons and neutrons. Electrons are the negatively charged particles, whereas protons are positively charged particles and neutrons are neutral particles. They don't have any charge. The mass of one electron is approximate 1 by 2000 times the mass of one hydrogen atom, whereas the mass of one proton is equal to the mass of one hydrogen atom and is taken as 1 unit. In the similar way, the mass of one neutron is equal to the mass of one hydrogen atom, and also it is taken as 1 unit. Hence, the mass of proton and mass of neutron is same and is equal to the mass of one hydrogen atom. As atom is divided into two parts and its central part is known as nucleus, which is defined as the dense part, and it consists of protons and neutrons. The nucleus contains nearly all the mass of the atom, but it occupies only the small space of the atom and it is present inside the atom. The diameter of the nucleus is approximate 10 raised to power minus 14 meter. The subatomic part of the atom is electrons, protons and neutrons. Electrons were discovered by the J.J. Thomson and they are negatively charged particle around the nucleus of an atom. Electrons carries 1 unit negative charge and that charge is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulombs, where coulomb is the unit of the charge, and the mass of one electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kilogram. Electron is one of the lightest particle with a known mass, and the electrons cannot be split into its smaller parts. The size of the electron is almost negligible as compared to the size of the atom, and they have almost zero radius. Next subatomic particle of an atom is neutron. Neutron was discovered by the James Chadwick. The neutrons are slightly heavier than proton, or they are approximate equal to the mass of the proton. Neutrons are electrically neutral. They don't have any charge. The neutron is about 10 raised to power minus 13 centimeter in size and its mass is nearly equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kilogram, which is equal to the mass of one proton. And these particles are also present inside the nucleus just like protons. The last subatomic particle of an atom is proton, which is defined as The fundamental particle of an atom, that is having 1 unit positive charge and having mass equal to that of 1 hydrogen atom, and these subatomic particles are present inside the nucleus. If we consider the mass of proton, that is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kilogram, which is equal to the mass of one neutron. Hence, these are subatomic particles of an atom.